Take command of this flagship vehicle and notice the stunning attention to detail at every touchpoint. The touch control buttons on the new 3-spoke steering wheel, the wireless charging station, and 2 new high-resolution 12.3-inch displays situated behind a single bonded glass panel for a sweeping, stylish look. There's virtually no facet of the automotive experience that has not been influenced and guided by the S-Klasse, be it technology, safety, luxury, or without question, performance. The Mercedes-AMG S63 takes performance to a new level by combining a new AMG SPEEDSHIFT MCT 9-speed transmission, 4 AMG dynamic select driving modes, and the exhilarating race start function with a 603 horsepower handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 biturbo engine. And great performance doesn't have to be just out on the track. The S560e will be available as part of an exciting line of plug-in hybrids we call EQ Power. For generations, one car has never settled for being good, but has continually strived to be the best. To not just keep pace, but be forever out front. That car is the 2018 S-Klasse.